Bareroot roses are just about ready to start coming out here. So this is what you'll get. Don't worry about the leaves on there. They will come off, they're just hanging on. You want to trim the ends of the roots, that's fine. But put it in. Try not to let it dry out while it's out of the ground. But you can plant it, put it into the ground, and then firm it in well, and then water. Right, so just check the rows over. Better to have 3 really good shoots. That's where it's been chip budded. So that's where all the fresh shoots are coming out. There's a little bit of dead part there, so just prune that out. If you want to reduce these by half, you can do. So find yourself a bud, put it at a 45-degree angle, and then just prune. And do exactly the same. Always try and choose an outward facing bud. So this is the rows we pruned down to the outward facing buds, and now we're going to plant in the garden. So when you're planting it, that should be the final depth, just about there. Just below, that's where the chip bud was placed on the nursery, and this is all the new shoots, and this is the rootstock. So plant it just below that union. Get yourself a spade, dig a nice big hole. And just fork over the bottom of the hole. When we plant, we tend to use this, which is the root grow, which is mycorrhizal fungi, which just helps the plant establish and get going a bit better. It just basically looks like clay granules. So you sprinkle that in the bottom of the hole, nice and even, and put a bit over the soil that you're going to backfill with. You can sprinkle a bit over the roots. So get your plant, and the hole should be deep enough, and just start pushing it back in. Make sure you get all your mycorrhiza in, and then just firm down around it. And then water it after it's been planted. 1 bucket should be enough for it.